Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a quick haul in a couple of places that I had gone to. I went to Ross, which is a more or less a clothing store, but it has other things in there as well. I went to the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So this is a cumulative haul. One thing I got was this 18 by 24 frame. And in this, I want to put um, my very last drawing that I did in my drawing class. So this, this was the paper, and I'm going to show you what my final drawing looks like. It's 18 by 24, so let's take a look. All right, so here's the drawing. That's my paper pad. Again, it's 18 by 24. This is done all in charcoal, and I really like the way it turned out. So I'm going to put that in that picture frame. My black cat. Okay, then another thing I purchased at Hobby Lobby is this set of facial sponge and tray set. So the sponges are here, and this is the tray. I do some soap making sometimes, so this is for facial sponge. So I thought that would be nice to do. It was on sale, so everything I got here was pretty much on sale. Then this other soap mold. I have several, and this one, so these are different molds. It says handmade with love, bath time, let's see, bubbles, spa day, fresh and clean, and relax. So I got that. And again, this one also was on sale. I bought this stamp set. It also was on sale at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was cute. I got this because I was watching Crafty Sue 519, her video yesterday, Saturday, and she was showing some cards that she received and some cards that she had made. And I thought I had seen this the other day, so I went back to get it after I saw the video. Thanks, Crafty Sue. You know how it is. There's always something to find at Hobby Lobby. So I got this because I am planning on making my own watercolor Christmas cards and maybe other watercolor cards and stamped cards. So I thought that this would be nice to have in there for when I send. Cute little envelope with flowers. Hello, happy mail. Consider this a paper hug. I thought that was really cute. I like this empty ribbon where then you can put these sentiments, sending love to you, please deliver to, handmade and heartfelt. And I really liked, this is the primary reason why I purchased this one, besides the other sentiments, is because I don't have my own stamp, for example, that says, handmade by Lavinia or anything like that. So I thought that this would be nice to put on the back of my cards. Also, hi and hello. So it's the clear stamp set, and that again, I think that was 40% off. Then I also bought these alcohol markers. I do have other alcohol markers, but this was in skin tones. And this, I believe, was 50% off this past week. So it has a brush set, a chisel set, point. And it has, and I don't have these colors, salmon pink, pastel peach, potato brown, yellow ochre, terracotta, and burnt sienna. And I'll show you one of the main reasons why I wanted to get that is because I also bought some coloring books, adult coloring books, and there's only this one, and I thought it was cute, the gnomes in the neighborhood. You can use your pencils, markers. So I thought that this was really cute, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to get the skin tone, because I don't have any of those. And I thought, the little gnomes, I could, color in their faces. Look how cute. And it is only one-sided, which is nice because, especially if you're using alcohol markers, they do bleed through on the other side. Now these two next ones I bought at Ross, and they were on sale. So thought these were cute too. And I'm actually using some of these pages in my collage pages. So when I upload those, you'll see that I have a couple of these pages in there. So look how cute that little puppy dog is. Flowers, birdhouses, little cats. So I started, because they bleed through, I just put like a piece of paper here But here, for example, is one that I'm in the midst of making or coloring. Because I think I'm still doing that Enchanted Bingo collage. Even though it's over, I still have to finish some of the collage pages. And I think one of them, I don't know if it had fish or ocean or something in the sea. So I had started to do this to put into that collage page. And these weren't expensive, maybe $3 or $4 or $5. Then the next thing I went to, actually, let's see. Still have this from Hobby Lobby. This is Wax Resist sticks, and there's a set of 4. So this is different than, gosh, what is it called? It's, when you do watercolor, there's something that you paint on there to not have the watercolor go on there, but then when you're done and that watercolor dries, you can take it off. It's a film, whereas this is a resist stick, so it's wax. And I want to use this for some watercolor painting ideas that I have where I just want the paper to show through, so that's why I got that. Then I also got at Hobby Lobby these craft bells because I want to make one of a small little Christmas tree. Someone at work gave me a little Christmas tree, so I'm going to decorate it with these little craft bells and buttons and scrap fabric. So I'm going to do a tutorial on that pretty soon. So I got that, and I also purchased some glue sticks because besides the Christmas tree, I am going to be making some of my Christmas carolers to give to some of my coworkers and neighbors, and so I needed plenty of those. I also bought this, not that I really needed it, but it wasn't that expensive, $3. It's a paint and water cup. So it has different little cup areas there. And let's see. So then at the Dollar Tree, I bought this. You know, for $1, it's pretty good. Pencil and brush organizer. It has 49 holes. And so I bought 2 of these. So this is what it looks like. Oops. Like that, but I have one here that I put together just so you see that, because right now I just have my regular pencils, you know, here in a mason jar. These are not all the brushes that I have, but these 2 are just in a jar like this, so so that's why I got this here. And then the other thing I got at Ross, I don't know if you have a Ross over where you live. I know my niece does it, and she lives in New Jersey. So when she comes to visit, you know, she really, because they're not expensive. The clothes there and things there are not expensive at all. So, you know, she goes there and, you know, we go shopping, and they also have a little craft section, toy section, kids section, home section. So it's really nice and not expensive at all. So I bought this, Paint Your Own Mandala stones. So it comes with the paint, the rocks, these sticks, a couple of brushes, as well as a little booklet. So yeah, just something else that I need to put in my room to start doing, right? That's how it goes. And then the last thing I got was at the Dollar Tree are these socks, because these I'm going to use as the caps for my soda can Christmas carolers. So I'm going to be doing, I think I had done a tutorial last year, but I'll do another one on that just to show you. Now that I got all these different socks, so these are the caps for them. So that's pretty much it that I got. So I'm going to put that drawing in the picture frame, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, there it is in the frame, hanging up. I love it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great Sunday. Take care. Bye.